Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and I've got a new update for you regarding your Google Slides. And you will now have the ability to annotate your slides while you are presenting. So let's show you how this works. So I'm going to go to the upper right corner of my slide deck and I'm going to click on Slideshow. So while I am in present mode, if I would like to use the annotating pen and eraser, I can take my cursor, go down to the bottom left of the screen where the little menu will pop up for navigating. I can click on the three dots and then I'll see an option to turn on the pen. Now from here, I can keep presenting and speaking. And if there's something I want to call out on this, I can say, hey, you know what? We need to really evaluate these values up here. And I can draw a little arrow, do whatever I need to do, speak to it. I can come down to the bottom. I can change my pen color to something else if I would like, and maybe look at a different area of our slide, different annotation. And then I can also go down to the bottom right, and in that same menu, I'll see an eraser tool. So if I want to erase, I can just click on erase and that will clean that up so we can continue speaking with our presentation. So I just wanted to show you that because I think that can be really helpful for some of you when you are presenting, maybe you're brainstorming, whatever you need to do. This can just make it that little bit more interactive and impactful. And I was just using my mouse today. You could use it on your tablet as well, or in a touchscreen, maybe with a stylus, and use that as well. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, until we meet again another day, another time, another tip, trick, or hack, or in this case, an update, which there are going to be plenty more coming when it comes to the Duet AI stuff. I got a whole lineup coming here soon. Take care. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.